everyone, welcome back to the channel. Here tonight, they're gonna have a drone show here, which is gonna be their last night. They had it yesterday, so, and I've seen it a little bit, but it looks pretty cool. Yep, 50% off. T-shirts, sweaters, drinkware. Well, it looks like I'm gonna have to check it out. See if there's any new merch for Phantom Fall Fest. Oh, that's cool. Gray ones are cool. Ooh, it's like really furry. Oh, that's like thick. That's really thick. Nice. Feels nice. Well, no merch yet, but we'll see here in about a month, which Phantom Fall Fest starts in next month in September. But I'll put it up here somewhere so you guys know. Well, we're in Doc and Louise's restaurant here. It looks like I'm gonna have to play some games because I know there's a lot of people playing a certain game that I want to play to see if I'll get anything. I doubt it, but let's see. Okay, it's time to recharge the card. Credit. I gotta hit this. No. Recharge. Okay. Let's go. Yeah, $20. I don't think I'm gonna win. What I have to do is just pay for it. Not sure what I want to play. Whoa. Well, maybe if I can win that JBL. Let's try. Up a little bit. There we go. Oh, I got it. Nope. Ooh. It's about ready to cash out. Okay, I get it. I gotta do it again. Okay, here we go. Oh, and ooh, it's getting close. Here we go. Oh, just so close. Okay, I'm gonna try them one more time. Okay, here we go again. Now, all right, time to play something else. Okay, so I have a credit. Let's go with these 100 tickets. No, 600. There we go. And nope. Go with the 600 again. Oh, looks like a good grip. And no. Okay, go back to that one later. Okay, what else I can play? That's a $1 play? Oh, special offer. Way to go, person. Okay, here we go. And nope, nothing. Whoa. No. Okay, let's do this again. See if I got, oh, there's one. Oh, what? And yep. Cool. I got another play. All right, let's see if I can get that fatty right there. Nope. All right, time to move on. Maybe time to move on and get some cookie nachos. That'll get me moving on. What? They got one haunted house already built. Maybe we should check around and see if there's anything that's being built for those haunted houses. Because I know there's one there. Yep, that's getting ready. That looks so cool. Oinks. So retro. I'm sure next year it's going to be like more stuff to come. So right behind me, that's where they're going to show the drone. Just around this area, just to see the drones. Spellkeeper. Awesome haunted house. It's covered by a white tarp, but I can't tell you what it is. You have to go in it and figure it out yourself. Man, lots of people today. Good weather for today. Even the state fair is going on too, so people are probably ignoring the state fair and coming here instead. I mean, there's just so many people here. That's awesome. I'm glad I'm wearing a hat because it's a little bit cooler. Yeah, I have to. Never fails. When I smell it or see it, it's just like, yeah, I gotta go for it. Look at all those cookies. Warm. Right out of the oven. Yep. Okay, now I gotta find a place to sit. All right, so I'm sitting behind the monster, which is behind me. Yummy. Oh, by the way, next year in 2027, Adventure Base is going to have a new slide. So We're just gonna have to find out. Okay, I can't finish this. So I'm gonna see if I can get a cup and put the rest of this in here. Wow, the monster is busy. It'd be cool if they put something like right through here. Adventureland's got a lot of different space. They can put like different rides, flat rides, or whatever they like to put in. Adventureland at night is fun. The park doesn't close because that drone show starts at 9 o'clock. And it's like about 8:16. All right, I guess we're heading on. Tyler just gave me a call. I'm sure he's not gonna want these cookies. Well, I think it's kind of hard because of that light, but that's a sign of Phantom Fall Fest. There, if you guys want to know some information on the Speedy Pass, you can do that for the haunted houses. So that's cool. But underground's busy. The Flying Viking is pretty fun. It's a family coaster, but when you go around that circle, you do feel a little bit of G's. I guess this place is called Barn Town. There's no place to sit. We're gonna sit over here, which this used to be the Skylift. This is where you have to stand right here. Then you go out that way, and you go underneath the monster, or not underneath it, but in between it. It'd be kind of nice if they had it back, but who knows? Well, it is 8:42, and they said it starts at 9. I'm wondering how long is this show? So I'm gonna go ahead and film the drone show. I might have to put different music because I have copyrighted music, and YouTube doesn't like that.
It's dark in there.
Neat. Okay, it's 9 o'clock, so here we go.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. We hope you're enjoying your day. As the day comes to an end, we invite you to enjoy our nighttime drone spectacular, Light Up the Night. The show will begin in 30 minutes in the skies above the Sidewinder. Once again, our nighttime drone spectacular begins in 30 minutes.
30 minutes is quite a long time. The Phoenix roller coaster is right there, so they said in the announcement to go over there. Actually, I'm staying here because there's no reason to go down there. There's a lot of people down there. I might say that there's a lot of people here just to see this show. It's pretty exciting. They started the drone show like maybe about 3 years ago. That's when Palace Entertainment took over, but this is a Hershey Family Entertainment Park. But they still have the tradition, which is great.
Welcome! Adventureland proudly presents Light Up the Night, a nighttime drone show spectacular. Come on over to Adventureland. Gonna have a lovely
Here they come.
Come on over to Adventureland. Gonna have a fun day.
Bernie! Well, that's it, you guys. That is the drone show. So next time I'll see you guys in the next video. You guys take care. Bye.